Hey everyone, good morning. And in today's lesson we are going to make this beautiful chair cover. So I will teach you everything about how to make the pattern for this chair or any chair that you have at your home, and how you can stitch this beautiful cover. So let's quickly start. If you are first time here, make sure you subscribe the channel. So let's go to the pattern making, cutting and sewing part. Guys, first thing for this chair cover is how to take the measurements. So I have this picture of the chair. So just to explain you that guys, first thing to make this chair cover is to take the measurements. So I have this picture, so I will explain on this. See, first thing you need this width of the chair. So first measure the width of the chair, whatever it is. For my chair it is 18 inches. Okay, so my chair is a little bigger than the normal chair. I have another chair that has 15 width, but that chair that have this cover, it is 18 inches. Okay, hope you guys get it, that this from here, you can see from here to here it is 18 inches. Okay, the next measurement I need is the length is from here, see, from here to here, and then continue till end. This part means this part we need the length. Okay, so guys, I just put measuring tape here on the chair, so you can see that how I'm going to take the measurement. See, from here my measuring tape is start this way, and from here I have to put finger and then continue till end. I just pin up it to show you guys. So this is the second measurement. First measurement is from here to here, our width, and then the length. So these two measurements we needed for the pattern and cutting. So let's move to the pattern cutting part. So guys, after taking the measurement, let me show you the calculation. This is our this thing of this width of our chair, and you can see here a picture something like this. So I just took this measurement and from here to here, and also you need the back side. From back side my chair is almost 26. Okay, actually it is 30. From back side it's 30, but I take it less, 26, because we are dealing with the stretchable fabric. One thing you should keep in mind, that for this project you must need a stretchable fabric to give a perfect fitting. Okay, so that's why we are minus almost 4 to 5 or 6 inches less than our actual measurement. Okay, so from here, see, you can see here 47, so I'm taking it almost 38. So this thing, and this is the back side of my. So basically you need a piece of fabric something like this. See, this piece of rectangle fabric you need, that is 18 inches like this way, and sorry guys, not 18 inches, because we are keeping it a little less for the stretchable thing. So make it 50 inches. Okay, 15 inches. This is this size is for a standard chair. Okay, any standard size chair you can make this calculation, these measurement you can use. So 15 inches wide and 38 plus 26 is become almost 64, and I'm going to add some more for the elastic thing. See, here is the elastic. So this lengthwise it should be 70. So these all are in inches, these measurements are inches. Okay, and this is stretchable fabric. Just take 15 inches this widthwise and 70 inch lengthwise. Okay, this is the very first step. So let's move to the fabric. So this is from here to here is 70 inches, and from here to here it is 15 inches. Okay, so I'm using this small fabric so you can better understand. Okay, so for a back side there is 26 length. So on from here till down I'm going to take the 26 and then I fold. Suppose it ends till here, so I will fold it. Okay, so I will fold it like this. Okay, now I am going to mark the side lines. These are actually fitting lines for the chair. So you can see these are little slant because from the top the chair is a little wide and from down it's a little narrow, so that's why the shape is in slant. So these are actually our sewing lines. So from here I will sew from here, and see, I just stitch from here. You can see the stitching line now, and after that we will turn it inside and just cut the extra fabric from here. It will give you a little shape here, and after cutting these edges I will show you how you can make the corners. So these are the corners. From here you have to measure your chair corner. So you can see here, this is the corner that we want actually, and this is 5-6 inches total. So this is a standard size, and after that we will stitch here. One way is just to stitch like this as I did in my previous video, but other way is to cut a square here. So here I will show you how to cut a square here. So first let me mark here, because this is 4 inches the corner, but I have to leave it a little extra for elastic, so it's 5. So I'm going to mark here the 5. So as this is just a miniature, so I think I mark less just to show you, and I think 5 centimeter is, but in actual size you have to mark 5 inches. Okay, so this is the shape where I have to mark my square. So join these lines to make a square. And guys, subscribe SaliqaMag. Now you have to cut from here. See, after cutting it we will stitch this part. Same way I will do on the other side, and no need to mark again. I just use my this cutting waste as a scale. Okay, so cutting is done. Now let me show you how you can stitch this. See, if you stitch it like this way, then your stitching will come on the right side of your fabric, on your cover, chair cover, that we don't want. so you have to stitch it on the other way. Let me show you. Don't stitch it like this, because your stitching will show on the right side. So let me show you the other way, that actually you have to stitch it. So because we will turn it inside, so you have to stitch it this way actually. Hope you understand. This way, so your stitch will come here. Join the corners and stitch it. Okay, so let me stitch this part and I will show you how it will look like. So guys, I just done stitching. You can see here all the stitching is done. Now make the edges smooth. You can use a scissor to make the corners sharp, and you can I'm using a small scissor because this is small, but you can use a big scissor to make the edges sharp. Okay, so after making this turning these edges, you have to turn all the cover. See, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to watch the upcoming tutorials. And you can see a teeny cover is ready. This is this part, the upper part, and making all the edges smooth from here also. Edges should be sharp, and after that it's a better thing that you press all the stitching lines to make it a perfect neat look. So you can see the shape here, and now turn it on the other side. This is the back side of our chair cover, and in this open side we need to put elastic all the way round. If you don't know how to put the elastic, you can watch my video of how to make the fitted bed sheet. There you can see how to put the elastic. And but if you are on the mid level of sewing, you can understand how to put the elastic in this. You just have to place elastic and turn it this way, and your stitch will go here. Obviously it's a small chair, small cover, so is this elastic a little thick for this, but I can show you on the real cover. See, this is how it will look like. Hope you like my video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel SaliqaMag. So putting the elastic is very easy. If you have experience of making a trouser or something like that, this is the same way. You just have to fold 1 inch and cover the elastic, and better to turn it inside, so it is easy. If you have a serger, that is a good option, serger or overlock, but from simple machine you also can put elastic. So just make sure that you put the elastic smoothly. It's better to pin up and to make it together from here. So hope you like this tutorial, and bye bye till next time. Take care.